Well, that's really bullish, huh? We've got a really nice flat correction here. ABC. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC. Almost at the end, huh? Next move is to the upside, I think. Why not? It's definitely bullish. This is a really bullish correction here. Flat correction holding the value area high. Similar to this, very similar. We've cleared the point of control with no hesitation of resistance. Same here. Same thing happened here. Got to the value area high. Same thing's happening here. Pretty much the same thing is happening here, isn't it? I kind of said that it could be very similar, and it is. It's very similar. This correction is a bit tricky. It's hard to count ABCs here. It's a lot easier to count the ABCs here, where we're at now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Hopefully that will be it. Otherwise, we're going for more ABCs, right? Whether it goes up or down, who knows? But hopefully that will be the end. I'm not going to really try and time it because it's looking like it wants to come to an end soon. You can kind of see it. It's quite a balanced correction. It'd be nice to kind of take the lows for a little kind of corrective move here, or maybe not, maybe just a higher low. And then really what you want to see is impulse. Yeah, impulse. If we can hold the value area low here, sorry, value area high here, then a nice 1-to-1 would be good to see. It would be nice to see at the very least. Shmoo, okay. Shmoo wants me to do some other tokens. So let's have a look and see how far that takes us. Let's see what the previous one did actually. Maybe more bullish than the previous one. Oh my god, my phone is getting completely spammed. I should have like I'm streaming, don't disturb me sign. You see, look, it went to the 618. Resistance, higher lows, flat top triangle breakout, and it actually ended up finding an end at the 1.414. It found resistance as it cleared the 1-to-1, it back tested and flipped the 1-to-1, and then it pushed higher. Okay, and then finally before we lost the 1-to-1, that was the rejection point. So in this context now, it's a tricky one because the 1 is less impulsive than this one. So I really want the 3 to be a crazy impulse. I really want to see the 3 take us to the 2, to be honest with you. I don't want to mess around in these lower levels now. I really want us to just go straight up to there. That would be a really good ratio at 12 cents with the next wave. I really want that to happen, to take that high. I think that would be really bullish because you'll be putting in another high. Yeah, this whole structure will then start to look crazy bullish if we can do that, can't we? And I'm not saying it's going to happen, I don't know, but realistically, that you want to what do you want on the monthly time frame? You want a higher high, higher low, higher high. You want bullish market structure to continue, so that would be an impulsive move right up to 12 cents. That would be nice, wouldn't it, if possible? Otherwise, let's just see, because there's a volume range here, a previous volume range, and you kind of have to clear that volume as well. So your first kind of resistance based on this is going to be the 1-to-1 here, probably the point of control, and then the value area high is kind of corresponding to the 618. You really have to we really have to take that high out. I feel that's our target for this next move, this next wave, if we can. All right. And then if we can, maybe we can go higher. I'm not saying I'm not saying it will happen, but maybe we can push up to the 2.618, which would be the top there in one go. I don't know. Maybe it's going to take 5 waves to get there. If we have if this wave 3 has to be more expansive than this one, to be honest with you, and because then this whole thing is your wave 1, this is your wave 3, the top of the wave 1 here, so the top of this level should be our SR, the higher time frame SR flip. So wherever we land on this wave 3, we can't come back underneath 10 cents really. 10 cents has to hold as some kind of higher time frame SR flip. However high we get, the higher the better, because it gives us more space to correct. Yeah, if you only kind of just go up to there and that's it, you know, you're going to struggle to hold here, because as people take profit, it's good, you're going to struggle. There's not much space, you know. So let's try if we can get up to that 2.618, yeah, at 18 cents. That'll be really, when people see that, they're just going to be like, oh my god, all-time highs, buy, and maybe we can go higher. You know, that's kind of the FOMO that we need to experience with QANX. So at the moment, just kind of going back to my original levels that I kind of mentioned, the 1-to-1 here, if we kind of hold this value area high as support, as the impulsive move, the 1-to-1 is the point of control of this previous range at 64 cents. Then the next level kind of will be the 1.618 level. It'll be somewhere between the 1.618 and this previous high, and really you want to take the high, and then you've got a really kind of nice confluence at 12 cents and then all the way up to 18 cents. Yeah, those are kind of your areas of interest. Everything in between is pretty relatively low volume, and you just want the price to go up quickly. So that's kind of my little very short QANX updates. Let's have a look at Voigt. Wow, Voigt is looking mega bullish after we kind of finished this correction here, isn't it? I'm kind of really feeling good about Voigt, to be honest with you, just because even though in the past I haven't been 100% right all the time, with this kind of final leg of this correction, I feel that I was on point with almost of the timings and almost with the corrective path, and just kind of explaining what was going on and how everything was kind of panning out, how this value area high was basically holding the price to support, and how this whole structure was looking really bullish. For me, it was looking really bullish. This is we've got a confirmed market structure change now on the daily time frame. You can see that clearly. You've got your lower high here, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You see that? So VAIOT, Voigt or Vi, whatever, I don't know how to pronounce it, for me is looking extremely bullish. And what I'd like to see now is a motherfucking crazy impulsive move. Like really, I want to see the impulses of all impulses, if possible. I mean, the fact that we've already cleared liquidity from the golden pocket, potentially twice, once, twice, maybe we can just go through it this time and not worry about it too much. And because we're looking at some kind of higher time frame, relatively flat correction, like a running flat, then I think we're going to look for, I'm actually still aiming for a 1-to-1 on this move, potentially $3.2. So let's see how this goes. Maybe by who knows when, but probably by kind of March, April will be amazing if we can get to those high numbers, all-time highs by the end of the year, by the end of April, March. All-time high will be clearly a massive TP on this. Yeah, so if people are looking to hold higher for higher, not financial advice. So I think it's looking good. What I want to see next is obviously continued impulse. We've got this value area. Let me just kind of update the volume to see if there's any changes. Yeah, so it's natural resistance plus this 50% mark, there's a little bit of natural resistance here. We need to flip that. This area needs to be flipped into support for continuation, right? So if we do if we can break out, then we have a really nice area for bulls to defend if they're looking to reaccumulate. That is Voigt. Let's have a look at Sui and check that out for a second. Really nice and short and sweet today, huh? These little updates. I'm gonna have to cut these into videos now, otherwise I can't get views. I can't build my channel otherwise.